everyone! Hi guys! Yes, ito na naman ako. So, magpipitas na ako ng aking cherry tomatoes. Okay, so they're saying I love you because they are only 3. Galing. So, unang pitas. At meron na naman ditong mahihinog. So, next harvest na to siya. Oh my God! So, next ka na, labas. Meron pang mga bulaklak. Yan. At saka yan. Kita niyo. So, ngayon, is pipitasin ko na siya. Pipitasin. Pipitasin ko na siya ng pinalight. Okay. Pag magputas tayo, dito natin kukunin. One. I. Next. Love. You. Okay. So they are very, very little. So, parang na-El Nino ata to. El Nino. Kasi, tinanim ko to nung last summer. I think around August or September. So, nakaresist siya ng ng winter. So, ngayon, ayun. Pag umpisa nung araw, ayun, namumulaklak. Ayun, guys. Thank you for watching. Please do like and subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.